Hello student, let we continue. Exercise 3.2, examples 4 to 6. Statement is on your screen. Check graphically whether the pair of equations is consistent. If so, solve it graphically. First, we will compare. A1 is 1, coefficient of x. B1 is 3. C1 minus 6. A2 2. B2 minus 3. C2 minus 12. A1 by A2 1 by 2. B1 by B2 minus 1. See condition. A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. That means consistent. If consistent, then we will find the solution from equation 1. Express x in term of y. From 1 we have x equals to 6 minus 3y. By putting the value of y, we get x. Box. Minimum 3 solution we will find. Put x. Put y 0. See in rough part. 3 into 0 0. We have x as 6. Put y equals to 1. 3 1 जा 3. 6 में से 3 गया 3. Put y 2. 6 minus 3 into 2. 6 minus 6 makes 0. Mark a line at the right side of the page for rough work in the notebook. Here these are solution of the equation number 1. Next, from equation 2nd, we will express x in the term of y. 2x equals to 12 plus 3y. 2 with x in multiplication. Change its side. It goes in division. Again, by putting the value of y, we get x. Box. Here also we will find 3 solutions. Put y equals to 0. Three into 0 makes 0. 12 plus 0 is 12. 12 by 2 makes 6. When y 0, x 6. Put y equals to minus 2. 3 minus 2 by 2. 3 2 ja 6. 12 minus 6 6. 6 by 2 makes 3. Put y 2. 3 2 ja 6. 12 plus 6 18. 18 by 2 makes 9. Now we plot these solution of equation 1 and 2 on the graph. Take a scale. Mark as x-axis. Then y-axis. You will make this graph concentrately and neatly. Y-axis, x-axis, where these two lines meet, the point is called origin. Now marking. We know that from 2 point one line can pass, but for our safe side we have find here 3 solution of the both equations. Similarly, marking on y-axis. See carefully everyone. Plotting x6 y0 dot encircle x3 y1 x0 y2. Now join. When we join, it always shows a single straight line. Name of the equation is x equals to 6 minus 3y. Next, 6 comma 0. 6 comma 0, same. x3 y minus 2. x3 y minus 2 comes here. x9 y2. Now join. Also, it shows a single straight line. Name of the line is 2x minus 3y equals to 12. Here 6 comma 0 is a common solution of both lines. That's why equation having answer x equals to 6, y equals to 0, that is your answer. Now the next example number 5. Find whether 5x minus 8y plus 1 equals to 0, 3x minus 24 by 5y plus 3 by 5 equals to 0 has no solution, unique solution, or infinitely many solution. Equation number 1, same. Take the LCM of equation 2. When you want to solve the fractional part, you will take always a LCM. statement is take common 3. Second statement is also same as equation number 1. See, both are same. If both the statement are same, then equations having many solution. Equations having many solution. Now the last example of this exercise, number 6, important example. Statement is on your screen. Champa went to sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friend asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. One statement comes from this line. Also, the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants she purchased. Another equation comes from this line. Help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Champa bought. Let Champa bought skirts, that is X. Champa bought pants, that is Y. According to question, number of skirts means to say X is equal to 2 less minus 2 then twice of pants she purchased. Equation number 1. Already equation 1 expressed in term of Y by putting the value of Y, we get X. Box, put Y equals to 0. The next comes minus 2. You can solve it at the rough side of the page like this. 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 2 makes minus 2. Put Y equals to 1. The next will 0. Put Y equals to 2. We have 2. Next one. Equation second. Also number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times of pants she purchased. Same. By putting the value of Y, we get X. Make a box. Put Y 0, then we have X minus 4. If we put Y 1, then X 0. If we put Y 2, then X 4. Now we plot these two boxes on the graph. Is here any common solution? Yes. X 0 1, X 0 1 in both the solutions. Now plotting. Mark as x-axis, then mark as y-axis, zero, proper gap we will take. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. y-axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. First we plot this point x0 y1, x2 y2, x minus 2 y0 1, here it will come. Now join the name of the line is x is equals to 2y minus 2. Next one x0 y1, x4 y2. Now join these two dots. Name of this equation is x equals to 4y minus 4. Both the line meet at 0, 1. That is the common solution, and common solution is your answer. Here x is 0 means to say number of skirts she purchased, that is 0. Number of pants she purchased 1. That is your answer. Thank you guys. Keep smiling always. Respect your teachers, respect your parents.